Hey y'all, so I went to Seattle. Oh my gosh, let me show you the pictures really quick. It was beautiful. Oh my gosh, I want to live there. But I can't. I live in the desert and that's fine. So my garden is a little bit of a mess. So I'm gonna tidy it up today. Let me show you. Over here, where's my finger? I have some dead cucumbers, but I planted some new ones. So those are coming out already. Have to clean up some of my sunflowers because the leaves are looking raggedy. What else do I gotta do? Let's see. I have to cut some of my basil because it has the black spots. And my tomatoes are growing, so I'm gonna have to harvest those also. Let's see. Can you see them? There they are. I don't know how to focus if I'm backwards. I don't know if something's eating. I have little holes right here. These are my tomatoes. I have to spruce those up. I have to take off the seeds on the marigolds. What else do I gotta do? I gotta put some compost in my raised bed here. My bell pepper grew like, I think it was below this right here, and now it grew so pretty, but now it has holes. I don't know what animal is in there, so I'm gonna have to search. I have a couple of bell peppers growing. My zucchini back here, I need to get some like long gloves because those things are spiky and they hurt. And they're the tiniest little splinters, and I can't get them out. Like it hurts. So I just pulled out a huge zucchini that I told my mom to pull, but she didn't want to put her hands in there either because she didn't have gloves. So I just pulled it right now. I'll show you. Let's see what else I got going on. My strawberries are looking pretty, but gotta clean them up. Got some dry spots. And I have marigolds in this tower, but look at how weird they look. They're like stretching out. Can you see? Let me see. I'm the worst with this camera. My cameraman's not here. They like stretched out. I think they were looking for sun. Since I have this shade, it doesn't get as much sun, and my other plants like it, but I don't think the marigolds like it because they like full sun like it is over here. And these did really well, but they're kind of drying up now, and I have to clean them up. So marigolds like full sun. Let's see, what else do I have to do? Oh, I bought 2 blueberry plants before leaving, so I have to pot those somewhere. I don't know where. It's my blueberry plant. Isn't that cute? Let's see what else. This one I have to clean up. It has lots of bell peppers. Yay! I have a watermelon growing down there. And let's see, I also have to clean up. What else do I have to do? Oh, my flower garden is a mess right now too. Just got bit by a mosquito. Let me turn the camera around. My poor salvia is like hanging on because the blue mist is stomping on her. I have to clean up some of these marigolds over here because they're overtaking my snapdragons and my chrysanthemums. So I have to clean that up. These are just marigolds that grew all on their own. They're taking over my garden. That's another marigold. I have to clean up this mom. I have to clean up this gazania. Take out all the dead ones. When they're super dry, they're pretty easy to just cut off. Try to go all the way to the bottom of the dry stick. My cosmos are super tall, but not a lot of cosmos coming out. Kind of tiny. My zinnias are finally coming out too. And I think I have a weed over there. I have to pull out that guy. That's a weed. I'm gonna have to pull him out. I also have to take out these suckers from my apple tree. Alright, I'm gonna try to do some right now. Oh, here's my, what was this? Petunias. I have to cut off. My vincas are coming along. And these are my 3, what are they? Dahlias. But they haven't given me a flower yet. Let me show you the ones my friend had in Seattle. So pretty, so tall, and I hope mine get like that soon. We shall see. I also planted more zinnias, and they're coming out. Yay! All right. Okay, so I cut most of the dead off this cucumber plant, but honestly, I don't think these are gonna give me anything this year. There is some green growth, but I planted these, so hopefully these give me some cucumbers before winter comes. And this is supposed to be a bush bean, but this never gave me anything either. I think the sun is just too strong. Ooh, I pulled one of the marigolds because it was pretty wonky, and look at all these aphids. Okay, well, I'm tired, so I'm gonna finish tomorrow. Here's the mess I made. I will also pick that up tomorrow, and I'll put it in my compost. Anyway, just wait a couple seconds, and it'll be tomorrow in YouTube land. Looks like this one's long enough to put here, and this one is long enough to put here. So let's do it. Yeah. I showed you guys here yesterday in my tower. I have marigolds. Look how long this one is. It curls, it does all kinds of things, and it's finally getting a flower. But I'm gonna have to move it from here because they just don't like this shade that I have going on. Look at these, are pretty dry and wonky. So I moved it. This is where I moved that marigold, and it didn't make it. Womp womp. That's alright, I was gonna pull it anyway. Here's my butterflies. Ooh. And this, just FYI, is blue mist. Okay, you guys, that's all I got for you. That's me cleaning my garden. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. I super appreciate it. Oh, I planted this bougainvillea yesterday also, and I put the umbrella on it because it's just 98 to 100 degrees here, so I was blocking it from the sun so I won't get too stressed out. And here's the rest of my garden. It's not the garden of my dreams yet, but I'm getting there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell your friends. Boom, boom, boom. And pray for my zucchinis. Oh, a tomato. And here's the rest of my garden. I need to pull all the rest of those marigolds out because they're just not happy in this tower under the shade. Here's my lemon tree, my bell peppers. I don't know what this one is because I forgot to label it, but I see it turning yellow, so I think this is my canary bell. To be determined. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a great day.